Hey guys, as promised, I will show you how I made that fabric flower. If you remember in the previous video, I put a fabric flower on a headband as decoration. So today we're going to learn how to make it. And to be honest guys, I just saw this tutorial last year somewhere on the internet. So this is not an original idea. Let's start! Choose your fabric and lay it flat on your workspace. And for this project, I will make a flower with 6 petals. You may choose 5 or 6, it depends on what you want. You can even choose 4. And draw circles like this on the fabric. Then cut the circles. And as you can see, now I have 6 circles. And fold each circle into quarters, like this. You may use a pin if you want to secure it in place. And this is the curved side. We will be stitching on this side. We will be doing some large running stitches on this side. And as you can see here, you just have to pull it to gather this part of the fabric. Now it looks like the petal. Now do the same thing for the second petal. And for the third petal, and for the rest of the petals. Once you're all done, you may stitch through all of them again to make it more secure. Now tie a knot. Now this part is optional. You may use a lighter or a candle to burn the edges like this. Remember, it has a lot of thread strands, like all those ugly parts. So by doing this, it kind of melts it and it stays in place. And now this is optional. You may use a small button or some beads to put at the center, but I highly recommend it. And I used this flower on this headband. You can use this flower for so many projects. You can decorate your dresses, your clothes, your skirts. You can decorate your curtains. You can put it anywhere you like. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. And hopefully after this, you will start making your own fabric flowers. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, and see you again. Bye!